Right. My name is Jane Serwanga, and I'm a lawyer working for the Federation of Women Lawyers here in Kenya. My organization, being a lawyers organization, works to ensure that women, once their rights or their legal rights are violated, that we take up the cases and we take them to court. The women do not pay legal fees. We source for the funding and we make sure we pay the lawyers and we take the cases to court so that whatever rights were violated, the courts can make a determination. And this can be on anything from matters around sexual violence, from matters to do with property, inheritance of property, matters to do with child custody and maintenance, a wide range of issues, but mostly around the area of family and family law. We also do a lot of work around advocacy because we want to make sure that the platform, in terms of the law, in terms of the policies and other the legal framework in its entirety, speaks to the issues of women. And we do this at the international level, at the regional level, and also at the grassroots level. At the international level, we make sure that we ensure that our state of Kenya complies to the international human rights laws that we have signed on to, and we make sure we do this by doing our normal shadow reports when the state country is reporting to the treaty monitoring bodies, and also we provide a lot of information to the committee members as to the actual state of human rights compliance in Kenya. Then we do a lot of work at the regional level with our sister countries from the rest of Africa, where we monitor again compliance to the regional instruments, but we also use some of the regional bodies we have, like the African Commission and the African Court, so that where there has been violations, these cases are presented before these bodies. And then a lot of networking with organizations like ours within the region, so that there's that general knowledge and information about the regional instruments and the regional bodies that we can all use. Back home at the national level, we like saying we work bottom up. We work at all levels. We work with the people who make policies and who make the laws to try and make a case for there to be laws that respect the rights of women, or where the laws are themselves discriminatory. We work with them so that these laws are repealed. We take cases to court, even at the national level, to challenge certain laws that exist, and we want them to be, again, no longer in our statutes. We do also a lot of work in working with different commissions and different government bodies as they're coming up with the laws. We usually are part of reviewing of the laws and making sure that the laws really speak to the issues of women and to the issue of equality and to the issue of non-discrimination, so that the law, as we keep saying, we want to make sure that we mainstream gender in all our pieces of legislation. Then we do a lot of knowledge and information sharing with our constituents, i.e. the women that we serve, because we say it's not enough to have the laws. If the women do not know about the laws, then they cannot come up to claim them. So we educate women, we educate communities at large, because even the women do not live on their own. So it's important for members of the community to know about the importance of upholding the rights of women, or the importance of supporting women. Now we're going into an election, for example, we're educating communities for them to see the importance of supporting women to take up leadership positions, not just at the national level, but even down at the grassroots level, so that together all of us can work to make our lives better.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.